Today I'm getting in the festive spirit and I'm going to make for you some Christmas Bliss balls. I was up late last night making this recipe for you, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm really happy with the result. So I'm going to be using some cherries and some beetroot to give the Bliss balls a really beautiful deep red color. And we've also of course got some coconut and some nuts, a little bit of maple syrup and some coconut oil. So let's get started. I'm going to put in 1.5 cups of nuts. Now I'm using hulled almonds, alright, so without the skin on them. I tried using it with the husk on there, but the colour wasn't as nice, so I got rid of those. So 1.5 cups of nuts, any nuts you like. I've got some almonds and some cashews. I'm also going to put in 1 cup of medjool dates, alright, absolutely beautiful. Now I've got 1/2 cup of pitted cherries, okay, my beautiful Christmas cherries, and also it's probably about 1/4 cup of raw beetroot. It's also going to add to that really rich colour that I'm going for. I've got 1 cup of fine coconut, shredded coconut, and you see what you like. I've also got a tablespoon of coconut oil, just to help that along, and 1/2 tablespoon of maple syrup for some sweetness. You can add, you don't have to put it in there, you can add more if you like, entirely up to you, any type of sweetener you like. And a little bit of salt, just some rock salt, a little bit of flavour, and that is it. I'm going to lock my lid into place. I'm going to be using my tamper, of course. Now I'm using the Vitamix A3500. This 1.4 litre container I find is the perfect size to make my Bliss balls in. Now for any Ascent series owners out there, you're going to struggle to make this recipe in your 2 litre container. The good news is Vitamix are releasing a 1.4 litre container mid next year, 2020. So that'll be the perfect container size for all your Ascent users. Alright, so let's get that onto speed 5 or 6. I'm going to pulse it. On off. I'm going to get it up onto high speed and use my tamper very effectively. Away we go. Alright, that is it. We are done. Alright, look at that beautiful consistency. Alright, that's what we want. Now I'm going to roll that into our balls. Now what I usually do, I will put this in the fridge or the freezer first, just to let it set a little bit. It can be a lot easier to roll, but I usually get a little bit of coconut oil on my hands, alright, just so it's not so sticky. I'm going to roll that, but like I said, put it in the fridge first, be a lot easier. Alright, so I'm just going to roll that into a beautiful little Bliss ball, cover it in some coconut there, and let's try some of that. So good. I can't even talk, it's that good. I will definitely be taking this to Christmas lunch this year. Happy holidays and happy blessings.